warm good evening to all the members of the Akshara family, CEO, principal, faculties, the teachers, especially the parents and the students. So it was heartening to see such a complicated subject like demonetization being presented so simply and beautifully by the talented children, and it speaks volumes for the institution. And whether the child comes from a rich family or a poor family, whether from a backward class or a forward class, if the child has the power of education, then in Akshara's words, you give him the wings to fly. So in that spirit, I congratulate the institution for its ideology and hope that the spirit continues, that you truly enable each and every child to really explore and be prepared for this competitive world. Here, I would like to make an appeal to the parents and to the teachers. Let learning be a joyful experience for them. It's an extremely competitive and stressful world, but if we teach them to enjoy the learning process, if we are with them to enjoy the learning process, they will grow up as balanced and joyful human beings. And my small appeal to the mothers in particular: teach your girl child to be ambitious. It's not a bad thing, you know. The women who do very well in their professional lives, they have received that education early in their life, when their parents have encouraged them to be ambitious, to question, to use their logic. In India, we have a mindset where in very subtle ways, in very soft and calm ways, we tell a girl child to be quiet, to be obedient. You may not do it consciously, but our elders, our grandparents, sometimes even parents, we tend to believe that a quiet child is a good child. But do learn, do allow them to question, do allow them to be ambitious, and give that space to your girl children to really grow, to really have careers, to have the power to decide what they want to do with their lives once you give them the education. They should not be educated just to marry them off and make them eligible for, to be floated in the marriage market, is what I would like to say. So with these few words and my little appeal to all the children out here, all the kids out here, how many of you believe in God? Raise your hands. Everybody doesn't believe? So almost everybody believes in God. Agreed? Have you seen God? Has anybody seen God? Your mama papa is here with you today, sitting next to you. So they are God on earth. Okay, you respect them, love them. They are your best friends. And nobody on earth or nobody in the sky can think for you, can plan for you, can dream for you more than your parents. So respect them always. When you grow up and are successful people, you remember that they are your God. That is my only message to Akshara.